Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos we're going to have the unboxing and a review of MAFAM MX5 Bluetooth Call Smartwatch. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's videos we're going to unbox another smartwatch from MAFAM, which is the MX5 Bluetooth Call Smartwatch. Alright guys, so you can get this one on AliExpress for around $27 to $38. And you can get a discount coupon. Just use the code YouTube MAFAM and you can get a $3 discount. Okay, and I will put the link on the description box for you to check out their shop. Alright guys, so now let's open the package. So we have here the MAFAM box, and we have here the strap. This is actually the extra strap guys that they sent to us. Okay, and now let's look at the box guys. So as you can see, it is all in black. Alright, and feeling it's more like a matte guys, matte finish, and there's smartwatch branding on top. Okay, and on the sides there's no information. So let's open the box. So upon opening the box guys, so we can see there the watch itself. So let's try to take it out. Right, and let's see what's more in the box. So they have here the charger. Okay, and it is magnetic guys. Okay, so we also have here the manual. So it's in English and also in Chinese guys, and in another language as well. Then we have here product warranty card. And we have here the screwdriver. This is actually guys if you want to adjust your strap. Okay, we have here the strap guys. So it's made of stainless steel. It's silver. Okay, it's quite heavy guys here. And we also have here a screen protector. It's nice because they included the screen protector. And this one is the quality control pass kind of certificate. Okay, and there's nothing more in the box. So let's look at the watch itself. So as you can see guys, it's in silver. Okay, so let's take this one off. So it's a 1.3 inch round screen, and also guys the strap size, it's 22 millimeters. Yes, and the resolution, it's 240 by 240 IPS, and the battery life guys, it can last for 1 to 5 days, and the standby time is about 30 days. Okay, and you can use guys your phone as long as it's Android 5.1 and above or iOS 8.0 and above. Alright, it's quite heavy guys, and it has 2 buttons here. So I believe this is the power on and off button, and this one is for the shortcut. At the back, so we have here our charging ports here, and then this is for the sensors. Okay, I think we have to remove this one as well. Alright, so on the right side there is like the microphone, and on the left we have here the speaker. Alright, so let's try to turn it on. Okay, so upon turning on the watch guys, so you will be greeted with this watch face. So let's count how many watch faces does it have. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got 5 watch faces. Alright, so as you can see guys, it's really nice. Okay, the watch faces. So let's try to scroll down. So we have here the shortcuts. So we have here Bluetooth call, and this one is for the brightness, and we have here do not disturb mode, and the shutdown shortcut, and the settings. and you can also see the battery percentage. Okay, now let's try to scroll up. So it is the shortcut for your messages. Okay, so since we have not connected it yet, so there's no message found. And then let's scroll to the right. Then you can see there the different applications of our watch. Now let's try to scroll to the left. Okay, so it will give you the shortcut for the steps, the weather, the music Bluetooth control is there, and you can also add your widgets of your choice. Okay, so now let's look at the features of this watch, guys. So it has heart rate, okay, as you can see, and alright, the sensors are very bright, guys. So we've never had sensors as bright as this. And then we also have here blood pressure, which is nice. Okay, and the this is actually for metabolism, guys, so it will check on how much your body works. Okay, and then we also have here breathe, so whenever you have lots of stress, then you can use this one. Yes, like please concentrate, like inhale, and it will actually vibrate, guys, and also exhale. Alright, I really like this kind of feature, guys, of the smartwatches. It's really great, especially this time. And then it also has blood oxygen level, yes, and which measures your oxygen in your blood. And then we have here pressure, guys, so if I'm not mistaken, this is for your stress. Okay, so next we have data, like how many steps did you walk. We also have here sports, so let's try to look how many sports modes that does it have. So we have 1 running, 2 walking, 3 football, 4 badminton, 5 tennis, 6 basketball, 7 cycling, 8 elliptical, 9 on foot, 10 yoga, strength 11, trekking 12, 13 is freestyle. Okay, and then we also have here news. Wow, this is interesting. I will let you know, guys, about this news feature in our next video. Then we also have here music. Okay, music control, weather, sleep report. Okay, take pictures, and phone. Okay, like your frequent contacts, your dial pad. You can actually make a phone call using this watch, guys. So you just have to connect this one with your phone and you're good to go. And call records and SOS. We also have here calculator. This is nice. Timer, and also the setting. So in the setting, guys, you can see the brightness, raise to wake, and replace the dial or the watch face, and the screen time. So you can choose this one. Health reminder, constant light time. Okay, and we also have here language section, sound and vibration, do not disturb mode, and the password. You can also put password, guys, on this watch. What else do we have? And shutdown and restart, factory reset, and connect to mobile phone. So you can scan the QR code when you want to connect it to your phone. I will make a separate tutorial on that, guys, so stay tuned on that as well. And about, so you can see the model name MX5. Alright, so guys, one thing I noticed that whenever you try to browse the application, it will vibrate. Yes, so there's a sort of like haptic feedback, and when you touch the application, there's also that haptic feedback feeling as well. Alright, and then this button here, this is actually for sports mode. So this is same as the Mi Bro Air before. Okay, and I will actually connect the strap, guys. Okay, and here is the strap. This is stainless steel, so I'm gonna wear this one. Okay, here it is, guys, our MAFAM MX5. Alright, so it really looks so nice, guys, and it's really stylish. Yes, and the screen, guys, is really good also, and the watch faces, okay, they're pretty great as well. And I will let you know, guys, on how to install more custom watch faces on our next video. Okay, and with the features, guys, of this MAFAM MX5 and with its price, I can say that it's good for your budget. Alright, for just $27, then you can already get a good watch at a reasonable price. Yes. Okay, and there's also another strap, guys, this one. So I will be wearing this one as well later on. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing, and kindly hit the notification bell for you to be updated whenever we have a new uploads in our channel. Okay, and if you want to check out this watch, guys, I already put the link on the description box, and then you can use our discount code and you can get $3 discount. Okay, guys, so I will see you again on our next video.